Hey guys, Brian Jordan Jet Parts. We're going to talk about the Demon kit. This is our Demon trademark. This will actually be stamped on the side skirts, front bumper, rear bumper, the wide body panels, front and rear. Okay? This is the Demon kit, guys. As you can see, this is the kit we're going to be working on right now. I'm at the shop, if you guys can take a look at. V3 and V3 rear. Our fiber expert is doing the build. We also got the chassis. This is the actual chassis that we're going to use in order to basically install the vinyl wrap. This is going to be on the engine hood. This is also going to be installed on the rear trunk, and this is also going to be on the rooftop. And this is also going to be on the side doors. So stay tuned, 2020 Demon kit.